Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your unwavering support. So today we're going to make a very simple drink, and it's only going to consist of three major ingredients, that is pineapple, apple and ginger. So stay tuned and see the outcome.
I was sure I wouldn't make it through. I was safe because of you. I don't know how, but you take all my pain and you turn it into something better. Ooh, something better. There's not a tear that you let go to waste. No, you turn it into something better. Ooh, something better.
So this is how the final product looks like. If you give it a try, please let me know on the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I love you guys. Bye.